Hi guys. All right, today I am trying out this collapsible water bottle. Comes in a little box like this. Can't believe a water bottle actually fits in that. So makes it super portable. It's got these little elastic bands. Basically you wrap it around the water bottle itself, keeps it in its little tiny shape. It's about 20% of its full size when it's at that collapsed size. So you'll basically pull those up and, oh, actually, you need to take the lid off before you can open it up to its full size. So I'll just fill this up with some water. I'm just filling it up to 100% to get the full look as how it looks completely filled up. Like such, it has a special patented technology where it does not seal. So this is safe enough to put in your computer bag. They say it right on the listing, which I think is just absolutely crazy. Sorry, there's probably water on the lid, but awesome little water bottle, very portable. I know it is BPA free. I saw on the box here, it comes in a few different sizes, pink, blue, gray, green, weight 135 grams. So light enough, keep it in your pocket, your purse. Just definitely gonna save you some space if you're somebody who likes to have water on the go with you all the time. So very cool, check it out.